Hi, welcome to Portal 7. Today I'm diving into something incredible. GPT Image 2 has just been released, and it's changing the game for AI-powered image creation. The results are stunning, from photorealistic art to surreal fantasy visuals. Best of all, it's available now on JXP.com, which also hosts multiple cutting-edge AI models for both video and image generation. Stick around as I showcase some jaw-dropping GPT image creations. Except GPT Image 2, JXP.com has other popular AI models too for video creation such as Cdance, Veo, Sora 2, Wan, Kling, and many more. For image creation it has C-Dream, Nano Banana, and Krona Edit, etc. In this video our focus is GPT Image 2. Let's get started and see what's new. As you click on GPT Image 2, you will see that you also have option to access earlier versions of GPT Image. You can make images here by two ways: text to image or image to image. First, click on text to image. Now I have made an image prompt in ChatGPT. I will copy-paste this prompt. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. Resolution I will set 2K. Quality I will set medium. Now click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. And you can see Ultra HD details with sharp and realistic colors. Now I will make another prompt in ChatGPT. Copy-paste this prompt in prompt box. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. And you can see realistic Mesopotamian time lifestyle. Now click on Edit. Here you can add up to 10 images. For now I will add this comic scene image. As you can see, it's drawing image. My prompt is make it realistic humans and environment. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. As you can see, this is no more a drawing. It's realistic image with real humans, like a Hollywood movie scene. Here you can see original drawing. Now I will attach this image which I have created few minutes ago. I will try to change it from nighttime to daytime. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. And here you can compare both images. It worked very beautifully. It kept all characters' details, just changed only lighting. Now I will attach 4 world leaders' images. And my prompt is, place all 4 person in one image, and time 3rd century Europe. Aspect ratio I will set 16:9. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. Result is amazing as you see Roman-era dress and environment. Now I will keep 2 images attached. Prompt is fight scene with prehistoric weapons in prehistoric environment. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. Result is extraordinary. Here in ChatGPT I have made a prompt for 3x3 grid image with a story. I will copy-paste it in prompt box. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. Result is extraordinary. As you can see, grid image is showing story of a family. This family find a peaceful place to live on an island through difficult sea journey. Now I will attach a rough drawing sketch. Prompt is make it realistic image. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. And here you can compare original and output image. It's not a normal AI model, it has intelligence with creativity. Now I will add normal diagram made by pencil on paper. Prompt is make it colorful, well-arranged diagram. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. And here you can compare original and output image. Result is amazing. Now I will attach this female image. Prompt is make this image as main character and make a short comics. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. As you can see, it made a beautiful comics page. Now I will attach another comics page which is in English language. And my prompt is to translate it in Hindi language. Click on Generate Image. Within few seconds, image is ready. Click on Download. translation is 100% perfect. Now click on Profile to access all your creations. Here you can download your earlier creations easily. Click on Pricing to explore the available plans. Every plan comes with a 7-day refund policy and 24/7 customer support. On the pricing page, you'll notice the rates are lower compared to other platforms. You can easily compare plans side by side and choose the one that fits your needs best. The direct link is provided in the video description and pinned comment. To see more videos like this, please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.